Good Thursday afternoon, everyone. As usual, mid-afternoon weather update for you here on Twitter and Facebook. It's a beautiful afternoon, but it is turning hot, as expected. A few puffy, fair weather cumulus clouds in Columbiana and in Youngstown this afternoon. Starting to see a little bit of haze in the air as the dew points start coming up. We're getting a little more moisture involved. It's certainly a little more humid than it was yesterday, although humidity levels still aren't all that high. Certainly they'll be higher tomorrow. Temperatures already approaching 90 here at the 2 o'clock hour, 88 downtown and in Boardman, 88 in Cortland, 91 Newton Falls, 88 Salineville, and 89 in Mercer. The dew points again creeping up. We had a very comfortable night last night, dropped into the mid-50s because the dew points were low. The air was dry. Air can cool off nicely when it's dry. But now we're adding more moisture, the dew point up to 64 here in the 2 o'clock hour. So we're starting to see heat index values a couple of degrees above the air temperature. Not a huge difference, but a couple of degrees. I think we'll notice a bigger change coming our way tomorrow. Some of this really awful air is going to try to come east. Now, we're not going to see heat index values like they're having in Des Moines or in St. Louis. 107, 103. There'll be some places with heat index values in the 100-teens before the day is through out in the Midwest. But our heat index could approach 100 before tomorrow afternoon is through. In the meantime, back here in the short term, we've got a band of thunderstorms moving through Michigan. Severe thunderstorm watch up around the thumb of Michigan this afternoon. What's going to happen with that line of storms? Kind of looks like it's heading our way, right? Well, most of our high-res, short-term modeling kind of fizzles this as we go into the evening. Now, could there be a shower or a thunderstorm late this evening into the overnight? I think that's possible, but I'm not real keen on the idea that this is just going to hold together and come plowing through during the night. So, again, chance for a shower and thunderstorm late this evening into the overnight. Severe weather threat fairly low, and the severe weather threat for tomorrow is on the low end, but it's not super low. I could see where we get a couple of gusty thunderstorms before tomorrow is through. The humidity is going to go through the roof tomorrow, and it's going to be a hot weekend, as we've been talking about. Much more on all these weather subjects this evening on Weather for Weather Geeks, the Valley's most detailed weather forecast. And as always, you can check out my kind of less detailed, but still useful forecast this evening on 21 News at 6 and 11. I'll see you then.